Good morning, 6th class. Welcome again after the break. And today we are going to start lesson 23, and that is about the artists of India. As we are doing the art section, we will discuss today the artists of India. And the people we are going to discuss today are all Padma awardees who have achieved this prestigious national award for excellence in their own field. So let us meet some of these creative and talented artisans. Padma awardees, dear students, in one of the previous class also I told you that in India we get Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and this Padma category that we call as the Padma awards. So we have three categories in that, and as per the importance, if we go, the first one will be Padma Shri. A person who has done something excellent in any field, he will get Padma Shri. Then if he continues the work, good work, he will get Padma Bhushan. And then after if he continues that work and he works continuously in a good field, in that he is excelling in any field, so he will get Padma Vibhushan. So this is the order of Padma award. Firstly Padma Shri, then Padma Bhushan, and then Padma Vibhushan. And after getting all these three awards, he or she is eligible for Bharat Ratna. A person who has got all these three awards, that person is eligible to get Bharat Ratna, the biggest award, biggest honor in our country. So these are the Padma awards. These are very prestigious awards. And today the people we are going to discuss, they have got this award. And other than Padma awards, there are also different awards which are there in India. Let us discuss a few of them. Firstly, Kalidas Samman. It is a prestigious award that is presented annually by the government of Madhya Pradesh, and it is given in the field of arts. So Madhya Pradesh government gives it. It is Kalidas Samman. Kala Ratna means civilian honor that is conferred annually by the Andhra Pradesh government for the field of arts and music. It is Kala Ratna Award. Then Jakan Chari Award. It is a state award of Karnataka, conferred on talented sculptors and craftsmen from the state. Sculptors and craftsmen from Karnataka state. This award is given. Let us now talk about some people who have got the awards in different fields. Jivya Soma Mashe means this person, he was alive from 1934 to 2018, and he was an artist from Maharashtra who popularized the Varli art form. The art form Varli we discussed in previous chapter. He popularized that Varli art form, and he had several exhibitions in India as well as in different countries like France, Germany, Italy, US. And he was awarded Padma Shri in 2011 for his contribution in Varli painting. Jivya Soma Mashe. Mohan Lal Chaturbhuj Kumar. He is an artisan of Rajasthan from exemplary skill in terracotta sculpture. He has participated in various exhibitions and workshops in India as well as Spain, USA, Australia. And he was awarded with Padma Shri in the year 2012. He is still alive and he was born in 1939. So he has excelled in the field of terracotta sculptures. Then come next Vijay Sharma. In 1962, an Indian painter and art historian who is well known for his expertise in Pahadi School of Miniature Painting. Means he is an Indian painter, an art historian, and he is in the field of painting, miniature painting, and he has published many books and articles on the arts and craft of Himachal Pradesh. He has shown the culture of Himachal Pradesh through his art and craft, through his paintings, and he was awarded the Padma Shri in 2012. Next is S. Shakir Ali. And this person is an acclaimed miniature painter who specializes in Mughal style miniature painting, and he has got different awards along with Padma Shri award. So he is famous for his work in miniature Mughal style, I will say Mughal style miniature painting. Like the Mughal people, like they used to paint their uh, we can say forts. So what was their style of art? He is specialized in that art, Mughal style miniature painting. If you visit any of the Mughal fort or any kila, then you will get to know about their culture, that what type of things they liked. So these are the different people from different field who have got these awards, Padma awards, for their excellence in different fields. And in India we get different awards if we have something creative, if we do something creative. In next module we will learn about some more people, and we will discuss some more people who have excelled in different fields.